Hi everyone, Valentine's coming and today we're going to crochet these cute hearts with wings. These hearts are extra easy to crochet and really fast, so you can manage to crochet a lot of them and give them to the people you love instead of a card. You don't need much to crochet them, just some yarn, a crochet hook and a ribbon to decorate, and it takes about 15 minutes to crochet one. I'm going to use two colors of yarn. That's yarn art jeans, and this one is some Chinese yarn. It's a bit thicker than the white one, but I'm going to combine them. 1.6mm crochet hook for both yarns, a sewing needle, and scissors. I'll also use a piece of red ribbon to decorate my heart. And that's it! Let's start crocheting. I'll start crocheting the wings first. So a knot to start. And then I'll make a chain of 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to start crocheting from the second hook from the hook, and I'll crochet a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the first row is ready. Now a chain stitch to move up to the next row and turn your work. Now crochet 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Now a chain stitch again and turn your wing. 5 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now again a chain stitch to move up to the next row and turn your work and crochet 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A chain stitch, turn your work and crochet 4 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, and the last one. Actually, that's it. We cut the thread leaving a tail for sewing and pull it through the loops. Now insert the tail into the needle. Fold your wing and sew the edges together. That's it! The wing is ready. Crochet the second one following the same pattern. These are my wings, and now I'm going to crochet the heart itself. I'm going to start crocheting the heart from a magic circle, so I wrap my fingers, then insert the hook, grab the yarn and pull it, making a loop. Now I'm going to make 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now crochet 3 treble crochets. 1, the second one, and the third one. I'm going to tighten the ring a bit so it's more convenient. Now 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. Now a treble crochet again, four more double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 3 treble crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Now 3 chain stitches, 1, 2, 3, and a slip stitch into the magic circle. Now just pull the tail to tighten the hole. You can already distinguish this heart shape, but we're going to crochet one more round to make it bigger, and we crochet 2 single crochets first, 1 and 2. Now we need to crochet 3 single crochets in one stitch 4 times. So that's the first stitch, and we crochet 3 single crochets into it, and the third one into the same stitch. Now the next stitch, again 3 single crochets into it, 1, 2, 3. Now the next one, 1, 2, and 3 into the same stitch, and one more time, 1, 2, 3 into the same stitch. Now 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we crochet a double crochet, a treble crochet, and one more double crochet into the same stitch. So first a double crochet, a treble crochet into the same stitch, and one more double crochet into the same stitch. Now again 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 single crochets in one stitch 4 times, 1, 2, 3. Now the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and the last time, 1, 2, 3. Now a single crochet and a slip stitch to finish the round. That's it, the round is ready. Cut the thread and pull it through the loop. Tighten to fasten. Now use a needle to fasten off and weave in the yarn tails. The heart is ready. Now let's sew the wings to the heart. After you sew it, just fasten off and weave in the yarn tail. Sew the second wing in a similar way. The heart with wings is ready. Now let's decorate it with a ribbon. Now just make a knot. And a bow. Cut the edges. And heat seal them. Your heart with wings is ready. Hope you enjoyed crocheting with me. Follow DidyToys for more free tutorials and crochet hacks. See you!